Hi, I have something really important to tell all of you, all of my viewers, about a product which you should not buy. So, the product is this one, Zebronics K20 keyboard. This one. Now, it tells that it has a rupee key, 1.2 meter cable, UV coated keys, uh, a retractable stand. So every keyboard nowadays has all of these things ready. Now the problem with these kind of brands like Zebronics, Frontech, Consistent, Foxin, then Zebion, these kind of brands, they produce awful stuff. Now, why I'm telling they produce awful stuff? This is an honest review. This is not a sponsored video. You can certainly tell from my review that this is not a sponsored video. I just bought this keyboard from Flipkart using a e-gift card. I bought this keyboard for 245 rupees, and I don't know why in the Indian market people are buying this kind of stuff. You should boycott these kind of stuff because these are Chinese brand. I'm not going to open this keyboard because this is awful. Because once I got this keyboard, I thought this will be a normal keyboard. Okay, so for this computer, I was buying this particular keyboard because one of my keyboards got damaged in this computer. So and this one and this one, both of them has keyboards ready, all right. But I'm using that keyboard you can see over there. That's from Genius since 2016, and I have a Dell keyboard over there. That's brilliant, no doubt. So always go for the brand. That's what I'm telling. Always go for the brand. Electronics goods, go with the brand like Dell, HP, Logitech. These are the brands good for keyboard and mouse. But these are the things which I don't know why they are selling these kind of things in the Indian market, and they claim these are all Indian brands. Come on, you cannot certainly tell that this is an Indian brand. This is refurbished Chinese brands. I'm really disappointed with this particular thing. But one positive thing I think I've found that you can see that mouse. I have a review of that mouse on my YouTube channel as well. You can check that out. That is from Zebronics, but that's performing well. But this keyboard I've tried in this computer, and also in this computer, and also in the laptop. It's not working anywhere. It came this evening to me from Flipkart. Flipkart has delivered this beautifully, even before the expected date. 2 days before it has been given to me, and the seller, I have requested a refund, so he has accepted the refund, so I will get the money back. That's not a problem, but the problem is that these kind of brands really are disappointing as far as in the Indian markets are concerned. They're selling bad things to you. So one advice I would like to give to those who are watching, the Indian viewers, those who are watching, please do not buy these brands. Please do not buy Zebronics or Frontech or Consistent. Go with the brand. You are investing for you are investing on your electronic goods for once, not every month. You're investing for once, and that's it. So invest in a good thing. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you all again next time in another video. Thank you.